When many teeth are missing or failing, patients often search for a fast solution. But All-on-4 is not just a package, it is a full-arch clinical plan. All-on-4 is a full-arch implant concept that may use 4 implants to support replacement teeth in one jaw when the patient is clinically suitable. A single implant replaces one tooth. All-on-4 is different. It is designed for selected full-arch cases where many teeth are missing or failing. The right All-on-4 plan depends on bone condition, gum health, bite forces, medical history, infection risk, healing, and final examination. Before choosing a cheap full-mouth implant offer, ask what is included, what material is used, how many visits may be needed, and what happens if the plan changes after examination. At Renova Clinic Istanbul, the goal is not to sell the biggest package. The goal is to understand your case, explain your options, and guide you with realistic expectations. All-on-4 is a complete system. Implants, abutments, full-arch restoration, bite design, healing protocol, and long-term maintenance. Temporary fixed teeth may be possible in selected cases, but final teeth are not promised the same day for every patient. Treatment varies by diagnosis, bone, bite, and healing. For international patients, trust begins before the flight. Renova supports patients with clear communication, pre-travel guidance, treatment stage explanation, and English-speaking patient support. If you are considering All-on-4 dental implants in Turkey, do not start with the cheapest offer. Start with a clinic that helps you understand the safest next step. Choose clarity, choose safety, choose Renova Clinic Istanbul.